Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is click the HP Smart app. Once that opens, then you can push camera scan, and you can either source it from a photo that you've already taken on your camera. These will both produce different outcomes. So if I've already taken a picture, I can go and find that picture on my camera by clicking on source. And sometimes, especially if your picture has color, that's a better way to do it. Or I can take my picture this way and line this up. This has to be perfectly parallel to what I'm taking the picture of. So when I come in here, I'm lining this up on here, cropping in on exactly what I want to be on the photo, taking the picture. Okay, then when I came in and did this, because of all the lines, it kind of picked its own way, so I can come in and adjust it. Like this. Or I could just click on full, but I can see like right at the bottom of mine I have a little extra space, and so I want to crop it a little bit. And then once I have that how I want it to be, I click next. Now, if I have it at the next point, there's a little slider thing that I can click on. And once I click on that, I can make adjustments. I can change the clarity. I could change the saturation. There's a lot of different things that I can do, and I can say done. And then I can click crop, and I can rotate it so that it's the right direction when I go to upload it, or whatever I'm going to do with it. And that's important. And make sure everything looks clean and nice. So then I can just push done when I'm all done with it. And it saves the image. And then I can push share and save, and share and save. And then I can just email it to myself to upload to my computer, or however else I want to get it on there.